Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Exam Point Notes. Today we are going to cover part 3 of class 12th biology, chapter 5, Principle of Inheritance, NEET PYQs. Let's start. First question. Due to cross between TTRR and small TTRR, the resultant progeny showed how many percentage plant tall red flowers. Options are A50, B75, C25, D100. The correct option is option number A, which is 50. Next question. Question number 2. If Mendel might have studied 7 pair of character in a plant with 12 chromosomes instead of 14, then A. He would not discovered independent assortment. B. He might have discovered linkage. C. He might have discovered crossing over. D. He might have not observed dominance. The correct option is option number A, which is he could not discover independent assortment. Next question, question number 3. When two dominant independently assorting genes react with each other, they are called A. Collaborative genes, B. Complementary genes, C. Duplicate genes, D. Supplementary genes. The correct option is option number B, which is complementary genes. Next question. Question number 4. Phenotype of an organism is the result of A. Mutations and linkage, B. Genotype and environment interactions, C. Cytoplasmic effect and nutrition, D. Environmental changes and sexual dimorphism. The correct option among the following is B, which is genotype of an environment interactions. Next question. Question number 5. Lack of independent assortment of two genes A and B in fruit fly Drosophila is due to A. Recombination, B. Linkage, C. Crossing over, D. Repulsion. The correct option among the following is option number B, linkage. Next question. Question number 6. Genetic map is one that A. establishes site of genes on a chromosome, B. establishes the various stages of gene evolution, C. shows the stages during the cell division, D. shows the distribution of various species in a region. The correct option is option number A, which is establishes site of the genes on a chromosome. Next question, question number 7. When a cluster of genes shows linkage behavior, they A. do not show a chromosome map, B. show recombination during meiosis, C. do not show independence assortment, D. induce cell division. The correct option is option number C, which is do not show independent assortment. Next question, question number 8. Which of the following is an example of pleiotropic gene? Options are A. Hemophilia, B. Thalassemia, C. Sickle cell anemia, D. Color blindness. The correct option is option number C, which is sickle cell anemia. Next question, question number 9. A and B genes are linked. What shall be genotype of progeny in a cross between BAB and ABAB? Options are A. Hemophilia, B. Sorry, the options of this question are wrong. So if you know the answer of this question, you can comment in the comment section and we will discuss it in the next video. Question number 10. The polygenic gene shows A. different karyotypes, B. different genotypes, C. different phenotypes, D. none of the above. The correct option is option number C, which is different phenotype. Next question. Question number 11. Two dominant nonalic genes are 50 AP units apart. The linkage is A cis type, B trans type, C complete, D absent or incomplete. The correct option is option number D, which is absent or incomplete. Next question. Question number 12. Of polygenic inheritance in human is A skin color, B phenylketonuria, C color blindness, D sickle cell anemia. The correct option is option number A, which is skin color. Next question. Question number 13. An abnormal human baby with XXX sex chromosome was born due to A fusion of two ova and one sperm, B fusion of two sperm and one ovum, C formation of abnormal sperm in the father, D formation of abnormal ova in the mother. The correct option is option number D, which is formation of abnormal ova in mother. Next question. Question number 14. Which of the following condition of the zygotic cell would lead to the birth of a normal human female child? Options are A only one X chromosome, B one X and one Y chromosome, C two X chromosome, D only one Y chromosome. The correct option is option number C, which is two X chromosomes. Next question. Question number 15. The human male produce diallelic sperm in equal proportion AB, 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 AB. The genotypes of the person would be, options are these, and the correct option among them are option number A, this. Next question. Question number 16. Male XX and female XY sometimes occur due to A deletion, B transfer of segments in X and Y chromosome, C aneuploidy, D hormonal imbalance. The correct option is option number B, which is transfer of segments in X and Y chromosome. Next question. Question number 17. Extranuclear inheritance occur in A killer paramecium, B killer amoeba, C euglena, D hydra. The correct option is option number A, which is killer paramecium. Next question. Question number 18. Genetic identity of a human male is determined by A sex chromosome, B cell organelles, C autosome, D nucleolus. The correct option among the following is option number A, which is sex chromosome. Next question. Question number 19. Bar body in mammals represent A all the heterochromatin in male and female cells, B the Y chromosome in somatic cells of male, C all the heterochromatin in female cells, D one of the two X chromosomes in somatic cells of females. The correct option is option number D, which is one of the two X chromosomes in somatic cells of females. Next question. This is the last question of this video and you have to answer this question. So let's see the question. The genes which remain confined to differential region of Y chromosomes are A autosomal genes, B Hollandric genes, C completely sex-linked genes, D mutant genes. So if you know the answer, do comment in the comment section. Let's end this video here. Next chapter PYQs will be uploaded soon on our channel, so stay tuned and subscribe the channel. Thank you.